I'm going to present my scripture journal assignment. So we're gonna slide on over to the VM, and I have it pulled up so it doesn't take forever like it usually does. But this is what it looks like, and I added a font for the My Scriptures title. So this is the view all page, so this is where you see all of the scriptures. So we'll start by adding a new scripture. Let's say Mormon chapter 5, verse 8. Let's just say good verse. Good scripture. And we'll add the scripture, and it's right here. And then we can go on and edit the scripture, and let's say, I think chapter 9 is also good scripture. And then we can also first show the search, and let's say we're just looking for the book. So these two pop up, and let's say we're looking for all the ones with okay. Forgot there's no 8 in notes, but we can search. We can search 3, and we get the note that has 3, or we could do note. We'll search that book, or that specific scripture. Then we'll go on and do the delete. So delete this one. And it's just like scripture information, and it's delete or return to scripture listing. But for now, we're show the delete, and it's gone. And this is my presentation.